Man, Jack, this thing is freezing up. I don't know, I'm gonna see if I can get this passed. You know, you guys be doing some beautiful things, like I said before, with the entertainment, the comedy. You know, TikTok is doing some wonderful things, but I'm using the stage for a little something else. You know, and like I said earlier, about, God, when I talk about the word, it's because of everything that I've been through, and I don't disclose things. People know me, and some people know me as who I am, how I've changed. And some people still think we're living in yesteryears from 30 or 40 years ago, regardless of what. They don't have no evidence of anything wrong. They're just assuming that that's the only way to live. And like I told you, many people who live like that, it's because of what they have always did. And you got to understand, some of the things that y'all did, I never did. You know what I mean? In reference, that's why I say sometimes people sit back and they wait. That's why I say it's two groups of people. Some people see me and they see me with an attitude. They listening for something else, hoping that they can read something or pick up on something to go on. Man, it ain't none of that, man. It's real simple, man. It's real simple. And like I told you, you got other people that sit and they'll be waiting on your demise, man. Some people that you even forgot about that even existed, that was playing the game, and when you finally talk to them after a year, 2 or 3 years, and you be wondering down all that, spewing out all that hate, I forgot all about you, because it wasn't nothing like that. You wasn't feeling that, man. That's why I say some of you got to just really be careful, man, and stay on top of your thing, man. See, listen, I'm going to tell you something, man. When you living right, it's a lot of pain. I'm going to tell you, it's a lot of pain, but it's a lot of peace. And see, it's a different kind of pain. It's not a physical pain. It's a pain that you just got to overlook a whole lot of people. So you can't control what people do. You can't make people listen to the word. That's not your job, man. You understand? You got to do your part. You know what I'm saying? And your part is reaching people who are really trying to find their way. People who lost and confused. They really need your help and your assistance. Your experience, man, and the things that you went through when you was in the swamps and in the trenches going through all kind of stuff, man. See, when you share to them, see, when you plant one seed, that one seed can break off into millions. See, some people that you save don't have to endure what you've been through because you're saving them from it. And they're going to preach the word on. The reason why I say that a lot of things, man, throughout my life who helped me through different situations just by standing in front of the audience and just talking. You know what I'm saying? They were some of the motorcycle riders, straggly, Caucasians. It wasn't just African Americans, all kind of strange people, man, weird people that you'd be surprised. And they right now today, if I saw them, I wouldn't even know who they were. I wouldn't even know who they were, man, because that's how God works. Just like reading stuff in the books and the papers and newspapers and things that came to me that I could relate to. God is good, man. God be the glory.